Local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeron.
Hi, everybody. Well, we're almost to the weekend, and we've got a few more showers on the radar. Like yesterday, though, these showers are pretty light and in most cases probably not reaching the ground. I mean, the returns are pretty piddly at best. There may be, again, a sprinkle or two coming through here, just kind of a damp start, even if it's not raining. And then eventually we're going to see a breeze kick in here, and things should improve by this afternoon. Kind of a first wave heading through northeastern Pennsylvania and North Jersey. Here's a second wave actually producing some snow flurries across the northern part and the western part of the state. Locally, too warm for that, falling as rain if it falls, but it may not be reaching the surface, and here's why. This is a live view of York. No fog this morning, which is good news, but 40 degrees, a dew point of 25. That's a pretty big spread, and what that means is that it's dry at the surface. So even though it's raining above us, the rain gets chewed up and evaporates before it can reach the surface, especially with dew points that low. It means that the air is dry. So again, there may be a couple of drops out there in a few locations this morning, but it's not a lot of rain as it swings on through here. There are a lot of clouds, and we can get used to the clouds around here. Really for the next week. We are going to see some peaks of sunshine. The weather doesn't look that active. In fact, we're heading into a bit of a dull pattern here. But I think for the most part, clouds are going to be dominating. Right around 40 degrees for most of us in the Susquehanna Valley, a bit warmer in Philly, and we are cooler than yesterday. Here comes that colder air, right? We've started the last couple of mornings out in the 40s and 50s, now dipping down into the 30s to right around 40 degrees. That's a change of about 5 to 10 degrees. And again, there's a huge trough. It's swinging through now parts of the Great Lakes and northeast, and until it actually moves on through, we have that opportunity for a few showers. Now, behind this, it is going to be cooler and breezy, not only today, but really throughout the weekend. And then our next shot at some precipitation, some light snow and rain here by Sunday night. And I think this storm here across Texas is really going to be our next shot, but it's light. I mean, this is not a big system, and we don't expect a lot of moisture from it, similar to today's. I mean, the next couple of days, we're going to see a mix of clouds and sun. We'll call it partly sunny today, breezy. Same deal here tomorrow. See how the clouds want to dominate in the afternoon, and then we will see increasing clouds after a sunny start on Sunday. And by Sunday, late afternoon and evening, we start to see some light snow showers develop, but the key word there being light. I mean, how much snow are we talking about? Most models say right around an inch or less. This is just kind of a snow shower thing that's going on. Very disorganized. It's not a huge deal, and it's not a huge storm. So later this afternoon, we do expect a breeze of about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow, still breezy. And again, it's going to be cooler, temperatures in the low 40s. So we will have to contend with that breeze here over the next couple of days. The extended outlook does show temperatures are calming down and settling down to right around 40 to 45 degrees over the next several days. That is still above average, but it's going to be cooler than what we have expected. So here's the next shot at some rain or snow Sunday night into Monday. After that, several partly sunny days, maybe another little blip on Friday, but next weekend looks dry. It's just overall kind of a dull weather pattern. So here's a wrap for you. 45 degrees, partly sunny, breezy today, maybe a brief shower this morning, and then 32, partly cloudy here tonight. Here's the next 7 days of your life. And again, pretty dull. I mean, some snow showers Sunday night into Monday. That's it. Otherwise, partly sunny with temperatures in the mid-40s here for Farm Show Week. Stay with us. More Daybreak coming up next.